Hello friends, a very good morning to all of you. This is Dr. Subodh Kumar, ex-associate professor, Badman Institute of Medical Science, Pavapuri, Nalanda. Here I am presenting my next video. The topic of this video is laboratory management system. तो इस वीडियो में हम लोग अध्ययन करेंगे कि लेबोरेटरी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम क्या है, आखिर वो कौन से डिफरेंट फैक्टर हैं जिस पे हमारा लेबोरेटरी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम काम करता है और इसका मेन उद्देश्य क्या है. सपोजिंग इज गुड बट फाइंडिंग आउट इज बेटर. So without further any delay, let's get started. Role of clinical laboratory in healthcare. In this slide, we studied the role of healthcare workers. Medical laboratory science is the use of clinical laboratory tests to detect, diagnose, monitor, and treat disease. Modern medicine could not run without clinical laboratory professional. According to definition of World Health Organization, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. आइए अब हम लोग फंक्शनल कंपोनेंट ऑफ द क्लिनिकल लेबोरेटरी के बारे में स्टडी करते हैं. फंक्शनल कंपोनेंट ऑफ द क्लिनिकल लेबोरेटरी. क्लिनिकल पैथोलॉजी, hematology, clinical biochemistry, clinical microbiology and serology, blood bank, histology and cytology. These are the functional component of the clinical laboratory. The function of clinical pathology laboratory is to perform qualitative and quantitative analysis on body fluid such as blood, serum, plasma, urine, sputum, feces, cerebrospinal fluid, other body fluids, tissue, and calculi. In this slide, we study about how laboratory management system works. First of all, patients come to the hospital. Doctors suggest physical diagnosis. Diagnosis begin with physical examination by doctor, and this is suspected diagnosis. We can't treat on the basis of suspected diagnosis. So here the work is of laboratory management system started. Doctor suggest test for suspected diagnosis. Test sample were taken from the patients in the form of blood, serum, plasma, urine, stool, biological fluid in central laboratory. After that, this sample is distributed to their respective lab, as for example, biochemistry, microbiology, pathology, serology, cytology, and histopathology, immunochemistry, molecular lab for sample testing. On the basis of sample testing, results were made. Doctor and consultant interpret the result with their previous history and correlate with the symptom. On the basis of that, final diagnosis confirmed, and Doctor suggests treatment for the patient. So, laboratory management system is teamwork, and the working staff is doctors, paramedical staffs, nursing. How laboratory management system works? As told in previous slide, first of all, patient admitted either OPD or IPD. Test is ordered by consultant or doctor. A specimen is collected in central laboratory, and this sample were investigated in their respected lab for sample analysis. In laboratory, quality control must be maintained. On the basis of sample tested, results were formed, and consultant and doctor interpret the result for final diagnosis. Role of paramedical staffs in clinical laboratory. What are the role of paramedical staff in health management system? Paramedical staff are backbone of our healthcare industry. In absence of paramedical staff, hospital management system might be paralyzed. Role of medical laboratory technologist. Medical laboratory professional technician are vital member of healthcare team. This is the backbone of the healthcare management system. They are highly skilled person due to their expertise in the use of biomedical techniques and instrumentation. Role of medical laboratory technologist. The main role of medical laboratory technologists are to collect blood, plasma, serum, and a specimen, as for example blood fluid, body fluid, tissue, and cell from patients, cleaning equipment, and maintaining a sterile environment in the laboratory. The challenge and reward of medicine and medical laboratory technician has the best of both worlds. Working area of medical laboratory professional. These are the various working area for medical laboratory professional where they are perform their duty, such as hospital clinical lab, physician center, commercial or reference labs, pharmaceuticals and chemical industry, biotechnology companies, forensic laboratory, research and teaching institute, transplant and blood donor center, and blood bank. Test report. The report are useful to the physician in the diagnosis and treatment of disease. Many life-threatening diseases, up to 85%, are curable if diagnosed at early stage, and it is possible on the basis of reliable pathology laboratory test results. Factor affecting test result: your sex, what you eat and drink, medicine you take. So join your hand for making a strong healthcare system. Be together, make our nation strong. Thank you. Have a nice day.